Hello everyone. So today I would like to review this Minipla, the Minipla Gouraijin from Nimpu Sentai Hurricaneger. This is the toy from 2002. This is the Minipla. And let's see the packaging. So this toy consists of these two boxes. So the first box is the Gouraijin beetle, and the second box is the Gouraijin stack and the Furaimaru, yes. And this is the back of the packaging. So the Gouraijin beetle and the Gouraijin stack will combine into the Gouraijin. So let's see inside of the box. So here they are. I already assembled this toy. This toy is the model kit, so you need to assemble it first. And this is how it looks when already assembled. So let's take a look one by one. So first we're going to see the Gouraijin beetle, and this is the beetle, the kabuto. So this cannon can be moved up and down, rotate like this. This cannon can be moved a little bit. This will form the head later, and I already paint on this part and this part. See the details on the back, it's pretty good. And it got the wheels here, so that we can play it with that. Next we're going to see the stack beetle, the Gouraijin stack. So the claw cannot be moved. This is the leg, the wheels, but the movable wheels, only this and this part. And we can roll it. And next is the Furaimaru. We can move the hands. Yep, 360 degree. So let's combine it into one. First, we start from the stack beetle. We need to remove the claw. You can just pull it out like this, and we can extend the leg like this, and pull it out the leg like this. Next, for the beetle, the Gouraijin beetle, first we need to extend the hand like this, and we can pull this part into the back, and this part also to the back, and this one also to the back, and move the head like this, and rotate the horn. And next you can just insert this peg into this hole like this, and slide it to the back, and open the leg. Last part is the horn, the stack horn. We can put it on the chest. just like this. And complete. This is the Gouraijin. So let's take a look. This Minipla has limited articulations. The hands can rotate 360 degrees, and you can bend the hand a little bit. I don't know why this one is backward. Should be the opposite way. Heads can be moved. I mean the horn. The horn can be moved 360, but the head cannot be rotated. And for the leg, we cannot bend it. So this Minipla has really limited articulation. Not to mention the leg is easily come off, and it doesn't come with any weapons, the axe and everything. The chest part cannot be opened. Cannot be opened. And this is how it looks on the back side. Let's take a look at the details on the head. So this Minipla is quite short actually. He is only 14 centimeters tall. So for comparison, this is the Senpujin Minipla. As you can see, the different height between these two Megazords, and compare with the Buster Hercules. So Buster Hercules even shorter than that, and this the comparison with the Zenkaio Jurangaon. Now the good thing is these two Megazord can combine into one Megazord. So let's combine it into one. So first, let's take apart the Gouraijin. Take out the claw, remove the leg, slide it down, push it back the hand, remove the head, move the head, and this to the front like this. And for the body, move this back to the upside. And take this apart. So you can see here, this is actually the place for putting the Karakuri ball, but this Minipla doesn't have the gimmick to open the chest, just like as the deluxe version, the DX. You can put it aside here. For the Furaimaru, just remove the leg like this. This will form the fist. And for the head, move this part to the upside, slide it up. And move the hand to the back. And for the Senpujin, first remove the dolphin, remove the lion hand, remove the head, close this part like this, and rotate the body to the back. The lion head, fold the hand, and this will become the chest part. And then take the Gouraijin beetle. So this peg will insert to here, like this, and the other side. Next, the Gouraijin stack. We can pull this hole right here. This is the connector for the hand. This will be the right hand, so insert it like this, and the other side, and we can separate the horn and put it on the hand. Next, we can take the Furaimaru part to form the fist. So we can just insert it into this peg, to this hole right here. Move it, like insert it like this and like this. And for the head, move the wing part to the back like this, and insert it into the Furaimaru head. And for the dolphin, we can remove the dolphin head like this. And this part we need to open it first to the back. And then we can insert the dolphin. We can put the dolphin here. This hole will insert to this part. So like this. And we can fit it with the lion head part. So as we rotate it, the dolphin gatling will also turn. And for the cannon from the Gouraijin beetle, can put it this hole to this peg. And for the last is the head part. Just put it here. And this is the Gouraijin Pujin. Let's take a look. So this part, it can rotate as the revolver on the dolphin. It rotates, and if we rotate the dolphin revolver, the wheel on the lion mane is also rotated. So it's pretty cool gimmick actually. For the articulation of this Minipla, it's limited, so this hand can be rotated 360 degrees, and we can rotate the palm a little bit, and the leg cannot be moved, just like this. And this is how it looks on the back side. So this is the front body of the Senpujin. And I think that's it for the articulations. There's not really much we can do, but I think this Minipla is pretty cool, and this is one of my favorite Minipla. So thank you for watching my videos. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, subscribe, and comment what do you think about this review. So see you again in the next video.